Beautiful day that God gave us today. Good morning, everyone. Today we will cook a new recipe, but before we continue our cooking, please don't forget to subscribe my channel right there and hit the notification bell right there too, so you will be notified every time we will post a new video. And the recipe that I'm talking about is Daikon Radish and pork shoulder soup. And let's go to my kitchen. Come with me so I will show you our ingredients. So the ingredients of our recipe this morning is pork shoulder, daikon radish, onions, tomatoes, garlic, spring onions, and ginger. And we need also a salt. So before that, we will get water and put in our wok or frying pan so we can boil our pork shoulder so we can have a clean soup. So there you go, our wok I filled up with water, and now we will turn on our stove. And when this water will be boiling, we will put our pork shoulder, so we will boil it in there. Now the water is boiling, it's time for us to put our pork shoulder. Third time water is clean and ready to put our ingredients. Let's dump this water and change a clean water. Finally, this is a clean water and ready to make a soup. And let's cover it until it will boil, and we will put our ingredients. So the water is boiling. It's time to put our daikon radish right there. And we will put our ginger. And we will wait for it's boiling again. Now it's boiling. Let's put our garlic right there and also our onions, and let's mix it together, and we will wait when the meat will be cooked. And then I forgot to tell you, we will put a cabbage. So let's wait, cover it until the meat will be tender. Now let's check, and it's boiling. Now let's put our tomatoes, stir it, and the next one that we will put is our, I forgot to mention this before, that we will put a cabbage. There you go. Stir until everything will be cooked. And then the next one that we will put is, we will put salt in the ladle. Get the spoon to taste. So it's not enough, we will add another salt and stir it again until everything will be mixed. There you go. And let's test. Now the test is enough, exact, or right one. Now we will wait when this will be boiling, and after that it will be done. Okay, we will be back after 5 minutes, and our soup is done. It's ready to eat. So let's turn off our stove and let's test. And now it's ready to test our daikon radish and pork shoulder soup. Ready? Super sarap. Now let's test the radish. So good. Super sarap. Thank you all guys for watching and see you in my next cooking style. Bye!